In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we sail to the west side of Phuket to have fun at the full moon party. Thank you to our patrons for making this possible. You can become a patron for as little as $1. And also thank you to chartercatamaran.com for supplying the boat we're currently sailing. Also, we want to invite you to come sailing with us this March 10th through the 17th at the Sailing Doodles Flotilla. We have 9 boats in all, 4 catamarans and 5 monohulls. You can charter an entire monohull for as little as $3,000 or a cabin in a catamaran for as little as $2,000. No sailing experience is required. On this day, we left Koh Mai Thon and sailed about 15 miles around to the west side of Phuket.
Unfortunately, with this chain set up, every now and then the chain piles up on itself underneath the windlass, so you have to move the chain over every now and again.
With the anchor up, it was time to head out. Unfortunately, on this day, there was absolutely zero wind. When the sun's directly overhead, there's no shade over the helm stations, which can make things a little hot. A good sailor, though, needs to be part MacGyver.
Well, with no autopilot and there's no shade on the helm, so there you go. Now I got some shade. The sun, in a minute I can sit here and be out of the sun. You gotta be ingenuitive. Oh, now we just need wind. There's a breeze.
Give it a good pull. Yeah. Are you getting any exercise from that?
Yeah, totally.
I think this is actually easier. That's where it's like you need a chair right here so you can see what you're doing.
Not a breath of wind. We're motoring. Our flags are, sails are hanging limp, useless.
It's so hot.
It's very hot. I really am surprised. These things only have the 9.9 Yamahas, 2 of them. And I'm really surprised we're doing 5.5 to 6 knots. And I don't even have the throttles. I'm definitely not full power on there. I'm pretty surprised. It's a very light boat, so it's able to do that. So 20 horsepower moves this thing that fast. That's pretty amazing.
As we got closer to Phuket, we could see the giant Buddha on the hill overlooking the bay.
But I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone.
The resort at Paradise Beach had free mooring. Sounds like a deal to me.
I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
Any jellyfish?
I'm not gonna tell you. I want you to come in.
Now she's not telling me if there's jellyfish because like literally we both have jellyfish marks on us from last time, yesterday. We're still feeling them. Are there jellyfish?
Babe, the only sting you need to worry about is sting from me.
I don't see you staying in there.
I came to cool you off.
Oh, thank you. This is not the official full moon party spot. That place is in Koh Phangan, which is Koh Phangan, whatever. But it's in the Gulf of Thailand. It's not even remotely close to here. We couldn't even sail there. It would take us like 1,500 miles to sail down the peninsula and back up. But they're having one here tonight, so we thought we'd check it out. This one's not the official one. It won't be as big. It's just a kind of a private one, but whatever. Hey, when in Thailand, you got to see a full moon party. Although I've heard the one in Koh Phangan is really not that great. It's like a bunch of really, really drunk 19-year-olds.
So before the evening's festivities, we wanted to go ashore and check the place out.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars.
All right, it is the calm before the storm, apparently. They're expecting a big crowd here tonight. Really cool place and really cool staff. We're talking to a few of them. So they're expecting over 1,000 people here tonight. So.
I'm so excited about this.
I'm sure you are.
I'm really excited about this.
All right, well, let's go back and take a siesta. How about that?
Siesta.
As we were leaving the boat that night, we thought aliens might be sneaking up on us, but they turned out to be scuba divers.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not.
Be sure to check out our new channel on YouTube, Flying Doodles. Links in the show notes.